DIY raised garden beds, part 1.
Instead of breaking your back every single time you garden, instead, you just break your back once while you build this thing, because I think this thing probably weighs around 450,
Honestly,
maybe 500
I'm thinking
pounds.
more in
It's
the
really
range
heavy.
of 380
It's all
pounds.
pressure treated, should last a long time. Everything is pre-drilled and countersunk using 3-inch deck screws. Looking pretty good so far. Looks like I got to go to the store and get some more of these
Approximately
little slats that go in the bottom
$250 to
hold the dirt
build.
in, but I miscalculated, and I'm also out of screws, so I'm gonna go back to the store. I'm gonna get some more of these things, and we're gonna get to rolling on this again, so I can show you guys how awesome it is to build this big, gigantic coffin-sized looking thing. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks actually pretty aesthetically pleasing, but you know, if there's a better way to build these things, you guys let me know.